Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're finishing up a relatively small project in the Land O'Lakes. It's the Lanai. So this is a full chip job. Diamond grind, small repairs made. This color is California gray. I'm going to show it twice because once is obviously very sunny. So this is a polyaspartic top coat, which is going to withstand the UV rays. And here's that color again. California gray. Job looks beautiful. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.